Anybody wey know me know say I no get time for wahala. Then he roll down my street, him and this is palava. He say he dey find my brother, say they don't plot the matter. Say anywhere he dey, they go beat and put for God.
I check 1, 2. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today's video title, you can tell it's a hair tutorial, and for today's tutorial we're going to be using the darling Kinky long weave extensions. You're going to need your mannequin head, a wig, ponytail cap, and you're going to be needing your needle and thread. So the first step is to place the wig cap on the mannequin head and hold it down with Tpins, but I didn't have anyone close by, so I improvised and I used my needles. Next step is to start sewing the weft on the wig cap. I'm going line by line here, as you can see, and I'm just going to let you guys watch. It's pretty self-explanatory, just going to be going from one end to the other and sewing the weft on the tracks. Okay, so at this point we're done with the first bundle, and I'm just going to start sewing the second bundle in. You can actually use more than one pack, but one pack worked for me just fine. If you want it to be fuller, you can use 1.5 packs, but I was pretty much fine with one pack. So you want to keep sewing the weft down on the wig cap until the bundle runs out. So that is what I'm doing here. I am just sewing it down till I'm pretty much done with the bundle. I know, guys, really quite self-explanatory and straightforward. Once you just start working, you just keep sewing down till you're done. So I'm done sewing down all the bundles to the wig cap, and you can see so I got this wig comb from an old wig, and I'm just going to be attaching that to the wig cap as well. This will give it like a firm hold once you install the hair. So I packed my hair down with some gel and leave-in conditioner to smoothen it out. I'm going to be installing the ponytail right now. Okay, so what you want to do is to use that comb part that was attached to the ponytail and just clip it into your hair. That will give the ponytail a firm hold. Then you want to adjust this adjuster that comes with the ponytail to give it a tight hold to your hair as well. Then once you're done adjusting it, you're going to wrap the band around your hair for a firm grip and make sure it's really tight so your ponytail doesn't come off. Alright, once you're done with that, you're going to take just a little bit part of the hair, the ponytail hair, and wrap it around the bun so that the part won't show, the wig cap won't show. I don't know if that makes any sense. Okay, so the main reason why you are wrapping the hair around the ponytail is so that it blends well with your natural hair, and people won't tell where your natural hair starts from and where the ponytail wig starts from, so it has a more natural effect. You can flop the hair out, you can comb it out if you want it to look more natural, but I loved it this way. I'm just going to be showing you a side view of the installation and also a back view as well. So guys, you've come to the end of this video. We've learned a thing or two. Please hit the like button and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do you guys like this hair? Would you try it out? And there are so many ways you could style this hair. You could do a bun with it. You can bring the packing like really up. Do it if that's what you're into. If you want to see how I can style this ponytail into different styles, leave that in the comment section. I want to see how many of you would love to see this ponytail in different variations. Okay guys, please don't forget to like again, I know, and definitely do subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.